Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 8 volume. Book number 8 volume. Okay, let's do a quick check on this. Age of cube or cuboid. Now, basically you need to understand that cube is something like this. Okay. And cuboid is something that's like this. Okay. Or of course it can be like sleep or maybe stand up. Now, age of cube. Now, cube is very interesting is because we know that the length here, the length, the width, the height, length times width times height is equal to volume. This is something we know, a very, very basic thing. However, sometimes it might ask for the age, means that either one of here, or maybe here, or maybe here, either one. Okay, here, here, or either one. And in this case, you need to always understand that it is actually the same. LWH is the same. Example, let me just do a quick example. I have a cube here. Here is 3, here is 3, here is 3. So I know it's 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27. However, if I didn't tell you what is the length or what's the width or what's the height, I just give you that it's actually 27 straight away. Then how are you going to find the age? Now, if they give you in this case, what you need to do is always you need to use something called cube root. Cube root. Now, in the calculator, there's something called cube root there. Okay, you can try to press that. And if you press that, then you put 27, the answer will straight away give you is actually 3. Why? It means that 3 times 3 times 3, you times 3 for 3 times. That's why it will give you the answer. Another quick example. Another example. If this is a cube, now I tell you that, oh, the volume of this cube is actually 8. 8. Okay? Now, you need to find the age. How are you going to find the age? Again, the same thing, you need to press the cube root, then 8. Then it will give you the answer is 2. Why? Because 2 times 2 times 2. I times 2 for 3 times. That's why cube root actually tell me that, what is that number here? That's why it's 2. Okay? Now, this is in the case of cube only, okay? Now, in the case of cuboid, the same thing, length with height. In order to find volume, I find the length times width times height. However, in the case of cuboid, because we know that not necessarily be the same, right? Okay? That's why usually they will give you, if they want to find either one, they want to find the length. Usually they will give you the volume, the width, and the height. Then what you need to do is just to use volume, divide by this, and divide by this. Okay, then you find the length. And it works the same if they ask you to find width or either find height. Okay, and of course, if I tell you this, you might don't understand, but let's try and give an example. Example, let me just try this. Now, there's a cuboid here. The cuboid here, I tell you that the volume of this cuboid is actually 48. Okay, cm cube example. And I tell you, oh, here is actually 4 cm. And here is actually 6 cm. Now, find the length of the cuboid. So what you need to do is just to use 48, divide by 4, divide by 6. Then you'll find the answer. In this case, 48 divided by 4 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So it's 2 cm. This is 2 cm. Okay, something that's very simple, and I hope you must know it. Okay. And the last very important point is that you need to understand this. Okay, very, very important is this conversion of unit. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Again, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. and it is actually also the same as 1000 cm cube. Okay, which means that in conclusion, 1 ml is equal to 1 cm cube. Okay, so in exam, very, very important, you need to straight away notice that 1 ml is equal to 1 cm cube. Okay, and that's all for the notes that I want to discuss today, and I hope you learned something. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.